Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about the biomolecule. Biomolecule, also known as a biological molecule or micromolecule, are large organic compounds that are essential for life and are found in all living organisms. These molecules plays crucial role in the various biological processes and are involved in the structure, function and regulation of cell and tissue. There are four main classes of the biomolecule, that is carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid. Let's explore each of these classes in detail. First one is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 1:2:1 respectively. They serve as a primary source of energy for living organism and also play essential structure role in some organism. Carbohydrate can be classified into three major groups. First one is a monosaccharide. These are simplest carbohydrate and consist of a single sugar unit. Example include glucose, fructose and galactose. Second one is a disaccharide. These are formed by the condensation of two monosaccharide units. Common example include sucrose, glucose, fructose and lactose, glucose plus galactose. Next is polysaccharides. These are complex carbohydrate formed by the condensation of numerous monosaccharides units. Example include energy storage in plant, glycogen, energy storage in animal, cellulose, structural component in plant cell walls. Next is a lipid. Lipid are a diverse group of biomolecules that are mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen but have a relative lower proportion of oxygen compared to the carbohydrate. They are hydrophobic in nature, meaning they do not mix well with the water. Lipids have a various role in a living organism such as energy storage, cell membrane structure and signaling. Major types of lipid include the fat, phospholipids and steroids. Next is a protein. Protein are a large complex molecule made up of amino acid linked together by the peptide bonds. They are involved in the made up of amino acids linked together by the peptide bonds. They are involved in virtually every aspect of cellular function, including enzymatic catalysis, transport, structural support, signaling, and immune response. Protein can be classified into several categories based on their function. First one is the enzyme. Enzyme catalyze biochemical reaction in the cell. Next is the structural protein. It provides support and shape to the cell and tissue. For example, collagen in a connective tissue. Next is a transport protein. It facilitates the movement of molecule across the membrane. Example, hemoglobin for oxygen transport. Next is a hormone. Act as a chemical messenger regulating various physiological processes. Fourth one is the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are the genetic material of cells and are responsible for the storage and transmission of the genetic information. There are two main types of nucleic acid. First one is a deoxyribonucleic acid. It is found in the cell nucleus. DNA carries the hereditary information that determines an organism traits and characteristics. Next is a ribonucleic acid. The various type of RNA plays essential role in a protein synthesis, gene regulation and other cellular function. Nucleic acids are composed of nucleotides which consist of sugar molecule, that is deoxyribose in a DNA and ribose in RNA, a phosphate group and a nitrogenous base, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thiamine in a DNA and uracil of RNA plays essential role in a protein synthesis, gene regulation and other cellular function. Overall, biomolecules are the building blocks of life and are involved in a wide array of biological processes that are crucial for the proper functioning of living organism. Understanding this biomolecule is fundamental to the study of biology. Next part is the importance of the biomolecule. First one is the cellular structure and support. Biomolecules such as a protein, lipid and carbohydrate form the structural basis of cell, providing the support and integrity to the cell membrane and organelles. Second is the enzymatic catalysis. Proteins, which are biomolecules, act as an enzyme that catalyze biochemical reaction in the body. Enzymes facilitate the vital processes like digestion, energy production and DNA replication. Next is the energy storage and transfer. Biomolecules like carbohydrate and lipid serve as a primary energy source in the living organism. They store energy that can quickly access when needed and facilitate energy transfer within the cell. Next is the information storage and expression. Nucleic acid carry and store the genetic information. They serve as a blueprint for the synthesis of protein and play a crucial role in the expression of traits characteristics in the living organism. Next is the immune response and defense. Antibodies, which are protein, are vital component of the human system. They recognize and neutralize foreign invaders such as bacteria, viruses, protecting the body from the infections. Next is the cell signaling and communication. Biomolecules like hormones and neurotransmitter act as a signaling molecule, enabling communication between cell and tissue and coordinating various physiological responses. Next is the transport and storage of the molecule. Biomolecule like hemoglobin carry oxygen in the blood, while lipoprotein transport lipid through the bloodstream. Next is the cell adhesion and communication. Biomolecule on the cell surface facilitate cell adhesion, allowing cell to stick together and form tissue. They are also participate in the cell communication during development, tissue repair, and immune response. Next is a regulation and metabolic pathway. Biomolecule can act as allosteric regulators or inhibitor of enzymes, modulating metabolic pathway and maintaining the homeostasis within the cell. Next is the structural diversity and specialization. The vast array of biomolecule and their different combination allow for the incredible diversity and specialization. Overall, biomolecules are fundamental to the functioning of living system, and without them, life as we know it would not be possible. Their study is crucial for the understanding biological processes and developing treatment for various diseases and medical conditions. Thank you.